see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me.
Say good afternoon, people. That's why you have to put that one because the sun. Okay, come on. We're gonna see Daddy, huh? Good afternoon. Say good afternoon. Where are we?
Blue Lake.
Blue Lake. Good afternoon, guys. Dito kami sa sa Blue Lake kasi si John mag-golf daw kami. Pero si John kanina pa dito, kanina pa umaga, mga 9. What time Daddy's left the house? 10:30. Oh, si John 10:30 nandito na siya. Time is 1 or 2 o'clock. Time is that?
2 o'clock now.
Yeah.
There's 3 in the car.
Yeah, it's 2 o'clock now. And dito si John. Ayun si John. Oh. So, tapos na sila maglaro ng mga kaibigan niya. So, sila naman ng mga bata. Kasi ano na guys, today is Saturday. So, yun si Holly kay Daddy niya. Kami ni Kuya dito sa golf cart. And, bakasyon na nila Kuya kasi diba, mag-i-Easter. So, kahapon yung last school nila. And, yeah, excited sila. Are you excited for your 2 weeks holiday?
No.
Huh?
Oh my God, Dad, you
Kuya,
Yes.
are you excited for your 2 weeks holiday?
Dad uses one of my.
Hoy, I'm asking you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Dad
Distracted na siya
stole
kasi
one of
tingnan
my
mo.
golf balls.
Excited na sila mag-golf.
Dad
Ha?
stole one of my golf balls.
Yeah. Ayan, kinuha na ni Jan yung golf stick ng mga bata and hinatid niya na yung friend niya doon.
Which 9 you want to play, TJ?
Kuya,
Huh?
Which 9 you want to play?
Flying down it up.
okay, family day.
So here we go with the rain.
Come on, yeah, it's gonna rain, hon.
No, it's been looking like that. Put your foot in there properly, mate.
Come on, Kuya.
Lock it hard key. Here, hop in, TJ. We'll go down.
Come on, Kuya.
Do we need a card? Do you have a card, Dad?
I haven't.
Yeah.
I want a card.
Well, go in and get a card. You know where they are on the top on the bench there.
I'll go get it. I want to go get
You
it.
know how? You know where?
Yeah, I know. I know.
Ayan. Pababa tayo dyan, guys. Oh.
My mom's starts.
Kasi sak ng card.
I'm just
All right, go. So you're down
Okay.
there. Watch for
See
people
ya.
coming out the
Watch,
tunnel.
okay?
Go. Don't
Whoa.
fall over.
What if it's gonna rain, babe? We're gonna be wet.
Nah.
I'm just waiting.
It's cold.
Oh, it's fine.
It's warm.
Where's your glasses?
Put your glasses, Baba. Like Daddy, look. Daddy has one. Mommy has one. How did you go?
Good. That's 76.
How many of you did you play with the other?
No, he's
The one
he
from,
has 67.
from the Swan?
Who wins?
He's not from Swanee.
Dad, who
He's the one
wins?
that comes with us on the trip.
Dad, who wins?
Adults would have had 67 on the stick.
Who do you?
Where he lives?
I miss me eagle.
Yeah, you told me on the phone. But what did you come second?
I think I'm fourth out of everyone. Out of all, the whole lot. Everyone's
I did
playing.
also play yesterday.
Who came first?
Whoa.
Grab
You
it.
just have to grab it. Ayan na yung card. Come on.
Sit down.
Sit down, Kuya. You might fall. Oh.
Oh, Bobby. Bobby.
Oops. Dan tayo sa tunnel.
This is where I can stand up.
Huh? Tunnel, guys. Oh, diba?
Oh, never hit off the tee off, Dad.
Should be getting the score from your
9 holes lang naman yung
TJ.
lalaroin nila.
Should be-
So,
Come down here. Come down here.
ayun si Kuya. CJ. Okay, akin na to na. May Powerade tayo. Kay dyan yan. Ha? You wanna drink? Ano yan? Powerade. And bago kayo pumunta dito, pumunta ko dun sa Badlock para kumuha ng
Can I taste that?
croissant. Cheese and ham. Ayan. Oh. $5 to. Oh. Ayan natin.
What's that, Mom?
Hmm? Wala pa ko yung kain.
Not in there.
What's this, Baba? Si Kuya, siya yung mag-first hit.
You can swap the front of the ball, up from the outside, relax, inside.
Where's those taste?
Too big to swing, right? Keep it compact.
Kakas ka.
Come on.
Where'd you put in the cover?
Inside, Zach. Come from the inside, remember?
It was a bad shot, Mom.
Oh,
The one lid. Mom, where's your lid?
there. Go, Zach. Well done,
You have
Zach.
to be quiet.
Oh. Okay, daddy's turn. Malamig. Wow. Ayan. Tapos na kayo sa first hole. Where's yours, Kuya? Where's
Let's
yours?
go, Paul.
There's one.
Nahanap namin yung, ano, ni Kuya, yung ball ni Kuya.
Let's run, Paul. Yeah, I can see you.
No, it's alright, huh?
6 on.
Ayun yung kay Kuya, ah.
What? A baby. It's a baby. I'm a two. What? He hit further than me, Dad. Dad, he hit it further than me.
Okay.
Had the
No, is that yours, Zach?
Oh, I didn't.
Andun pala kay Kuya, oh.
What, did it go good?
Please.
Did it go good?
Yeah, right.
Ma, I did this once. Said to Mom,
Be quiet, Solim. Wow, good job, Kuya.
My shots are on.
Nice shot, Kuya. Very good.
Stay there. Well done.
Eh, si
I saw
Zach.
her lawn, right?
Zach.
Whoa. What is that?
Well done, Zach.
Well done, Zach. Good job.
Oi.
I just want to try.
Hey, that's fine.
Let's
mate.
go.
But still, that didn't go
Good.
that far.
It's alright.
Come on.
Get Zach. That's so many Zachs.
Where's Zach? That's yours, Zach.
I'm
That's
That's
yours.
it, Papa.
Kinain niyo yung binili kong isa, oh. Ayan, si Kuya. Happy? Huh?
I see faster.
Okay. Okay, akin na. Give it to Mama.
Oh, yes.
Alright. Ayan na sila.
I do it 7 over.
It's alright.
Ollie.
Pardon. Alis dyan, Baba.
Oh,
si Roy.
can you buy some more?
Oops. Are you gonna run?
Yes, please.
Okay.
Look at that.
See ya.
I write it on your...
I'm sorry. Ali. Okay, Baba. Baba. Oi, where are you going? Oi.
Let's go to this next time.
Alright. Bye, Holly. I don't like it. I'm scared with this one.
Dad, you do my score.
I got 7 over.
Yeah, you want to pass my ball.
Where's Toad's going?
I don't know.
Wasa.
Ganda yung view dito. Kasi ayan,
Wow.
may pa-mountain dun. Oh.
I want to go.
Are you gonna play golf too one day, Holly?
Yes.
Huh?
Yes.
Yes. Like Daddy and Kuya?
Yeah.
Alright.
It is so late.
Okay. Siya tagalagay ng bola. That's it now, come on. Careful, Papa.
Slowly.
Slowly.
Start running. Get in, Holly. Holly. Holly.
So, third na to.
Pitch.
Lord, it's slow
It's a
down.
shot, but just plug off the
No
back foot a little
way,
bit.
slow.
Hands forward. And get your feet right. Make sure you're aiming right.
I don't know.
Important.
Just. Oh, my finger.
Good job, Kuya. That's good.
It's alright. Where were you aiming? Check it.
That's good.
Is that where you were aiming?
Yes.
Next time.
What is this?
Si Sak andun na kay Sako. From malayo yun si Sak, pero nalagay niya dun. Oh.
I just wanna
Okay.
see if I like. Is this a prey?
Yeah. Tingnan natin kung sino makapasok ng ball sa hall.
Take a ball. That's where your mark is.
What's that, Kuya?
A marker.
A marker.
So you know where to put the
There's
ball.
the mount.
Ah.
Where's the seat?
Ayan, naglagay silang marker.
Right. Most of the time,
Kasi may
go to the
una
seat.
pa kasi si Kuya, yung bola ni Sak nandun eh, para hindi yun magalaw.
Just a little bit, it'll go to the seat.
What you doing, Kuya? Who's gonna do first?
TJ.
Okay.
Let's it up.
Okay. Okay, Sak, alis kayo dyan. Dyan ini-aim ni Kuya. Wait, Kuya. Sige na, Kuya. Sorry. Almost, Kuya.
Oi, TJ, don't punch it.
It's-
Now finish. Make sure the next one. Concentrate on this putt.
Okay.
Gotta get this one. Right over.
Okay, Sak, go. Oh! Almost. Put it in, Nak. Good job.
Mom, look.
Concentrate.
Look, Mom.
Good job. Ah, okay. Tap for Mama.
5. Again. Alright.
Holly, come here, Baba.
Now what did you get?
That one went.
Dad, what?
Baba, come here.
Get there.
Other ways.
Here, I'll put your ipit. Come on. Oh, you're gonna fall.
Mom, what are you
Andrew.
Hey, come here. Oh, you're gonna smoke. Come on.
It's stuck. What's that clip, you know?
It's alayo pa nila, oh.
Well, just drive it going, mate. Hit it like you mean it.
How is it, Baba? Are you tired?
Don't hit the ground. Come from the inside.
I'm still racing. With my
Are you still racing with Kuya Zach?
main Holly win.
When
Away.
you're coming around,
I want
aim
papers.
for that tee.
Mom, I want papers.
We
Sit
don't
up.
have papers.
Thank you. Daddy. Hug. Now white. Now waiting.
That's good, Kuya.
Now waiting.
That's straight.
You cut.
Saan kaya? Boxer wa? Yabang mo, mayabang to.
Oi,
He's doing
Ball.
a funny dance.
Mayabang tong bata.
ball properly. Inside. That's it. Beautiful. Do that. Watch the ball. Hit it. Watch the ball. Don't hit the ground.
That's right. Be serious, Zach.
That's it, mate. Watch the ball.
Good job. Go, Zachary.
Yeah, get your 3-wood. Zach, go get that ball.
Papa, you do it
Come
right. Then the
Yeah,
other
3-wood.
side. Okay.
3-wood.
Yes.
And hit it properly. Concentrate. Side. From here you turn and come from the inside. Aim for that tee. Go.
Ang stricto ni Daddy talaga.
Arm. That's it. No feet, no hips. Arm. Only thing that moves.
Dad, remember to hit my ball? Let me put my finger.
Yep, that's a good line. Now all you got to do now is get your speed right.
What is last one time?
Good job, Zach.
Mom? Right.
Beautiful.
That's way up there.
I know, I see it, Kuya.
Good.
The tee.
Good job, Kuya. Daddy's turn.
Go around and then watch gravity. Hit it. Feel like you're coming underneath it, around and up. That's better.
That's
Jay.
good,
Just like that.
see? That's good, Kuya.
Alright.
Good job.
Just like that. Every day, did you feel how you did that? Right,
Yeah.
do it again all the time.
Exactly restored. This is our, what? 6th. Pang-anim ng haul to, guys.
I'm out here, mate. That's it. Good shot. Good swing. Do that one. Good swing. Do that one.
Another
Come from the inside, Zachary. Around the body. No, bring your arms around the body. Around. Right.
How is it rubber?
That's beautiful.
That's good, Zach. Ayan, ito try ni Jan yung napanalunan niyang driver.
Mom!
Be quiet. Ini-Instagram ko yun. Insert ko na lang yung ano. Yung
Let's last ball.
Instagram photo niya. Let me see that one, Han. Come on. Oh, this is long.
This is the long way to
Ayan, ang haba.
home.
This is Holly.
Who got that one? Throw
Holly.
Huh?
Holly.
That's a drop.
So, ito yung bago niyang...
Balo.
Hindi bago, napanalunan niya. Oh, ang lamig. Ha? Is this last? Ako magdadrive. Mag-drive daw tayo, guys. Good job, Kuya. Ha? No racing. This is last hole, is it? One more. Ah, one more pa pala. Oh, lamig.
Where'd that?
What?
He's stuck.
Oh,
Bye, Holly. Holly, come on.
oh
Lucky
Zacky
boy.
boy.
Good job. Come on, Holly. Who's that one? Is that you? Nasa bunker si Kay dyan.
No, the one in the drain.
Ah, dalawa pa. Ayan na.
That's your way.
Ano?
That's your way.
Oh, you said you wanna race.
I took over money. No.
Come here. Look at you. Look. Come here. Look. Where's Holly? Holly. Come here. No, no. Come here. You have to. Here. They can't see you.
That's yours.
Hi. Say hi, guys.
Okay.
Hi.
Hey guys. Here. Look.
Guys, look daw. Ano yan? Dahon.
They're here.
Dahon. Ayan. Last hole kami.
No, this is not a last hole.
Yeah, this is the last one now. This is last hole.
We're doing 18.
No,
No,
we're just having 9 holes, Daddy said.
No, but it's the par 4.
Oh, not sure.
See, par 4.
Par 4.
Mama, we're having for
Tingnan mo, nagtatanong na siya kung anong dinner. Nothing because Mommy is here. Mommy cannot cook.
Wait. I'm gonna show because Mom's not gonna took some cake.
Oh, Pop, Mom, we can do parts of canteen or go chopsticks.
Pansit Canton, no.
Oh, I haven't had it for a long, long
Gusto
time.
lang kumain ng Pansit Canton.
Please. That'll be my favorite.
Yeah, last hole na. Ayan si Don.
I'm not doing this with your own favorite.
Ano?
My favorite. My bunch of my favorite.
Pansit your favorite?
I want purple.
Yeah.
Have that
Is that
tomorrow.
like a way?
What are we gonna have for tea, huh?
Lisa,
Where are we gonna get that from?
well, you can go and get it.
I'm
Well, that trailer.
not gonna
I
go.
want bunches.
I want one to get through.
So toast. Look out.
I want you to put
Mag-toast na lang kami. Come on, Kuya.
Mom, you have pizza.
And
Holly.
tomorrow night we have
Where are you, Holly? I can see you, Holly.
Yeah.
We have tomorrow night.
Is it done? Oh, lang. Hindi pa pasok.
Look at that, perfect.
Wow. Where's Holly? I can't see Holly.
Get your tee off. Should be able to drive this, mate. That's what I mean.
Ah,
You should be
this
getting
is-
on there.
Yeah, we're almost
And then,
done.
you know, get-
Yan, tapos na. Uwi na, come on. Sinipon tuloy ako.
Where?
Holly, come on. There's Holly.
Go. Bring. Get it
Ayan.
for you.
Come on, no, you're not gonna race. We're going. It's finished. Come on.
Competition.
Come on. Whoa. It's cold. Come on. Anna?
We'll see.
Yeah, because it's cold.
Mama, why didn't you bring a jumper?
Daddy said the weather's all right here.
Is it alright?
Well,
Okay, let's go, Holly. Bye, Holly. Hurry up.
there's an old one.
Oh, akala ko ba alis na tayo. Are you still gonna hit hard? Oh, lamig.
Mom, you only put it up to 105.
106.
No, I mean 105.
Waiting.
Ano?
Yeah, true.
400, 500, Mama.
Ano? Yeah, later na
Look
kuya.
at that.
Okay, we're going.
Wait,
Come
wait.
on, get in.
I did it.
I'm in the home.
You get
We're
an
going home.
Yeah.
Oh, lamig. Lamig.
And what did I get?
9. 8.
You're there for 3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay, come on. Come on, Han. Come on.
Second.
Pa, ayan.
It will go faster
No,
than.
no faster. Wait, honey. Oh my God. Oh, goodness. Are you happy, Holly? Oh, my camera. Oh my goodness.
Here you go, Mom.
Alright, here's my car.
Bye.
Okay, come on, Holly.
Mom,
You
I'm
go.
going to Dad's car.
Okay, bye, boys.
I'm going to Dad's car.
No, we're not. You're coming with me. No, no, no. They're just gonna put their bag.
It's not there, Bubba.
Come on, your seat is in Mommy's car. Come on. Ayan, paalis na kami, guys. Bye. Bye. Yeah, we're coming. Come on. Your car seat is here. Come on. Ayan sila.
Bye, Daddy.
Bubba.
Bye.
Please.
Okay, we're going.
Can I have a kiss?
Huh? Kiss? Okay na. Okay, see you.
I love you.
I love you.
I can't kiss
No,
her.
she.
Huh? Can I just hop in and kiss her?
No, we're going home now. Huh? I'll see. Okay, see ya.
If it's not, this have nothing.
Yeah.
If it
Let,
is,
let's just go to sleep. Okay, akin na. Thank you. See you later. Okay, akin na. Ano tayo?
Bye, Holly.
Okay, see ya. Bye. Okay, see you now.
bye, Dolly. Bye. Mom.
What?
Mom.
What?
Mommy.
Okay, see you.
Mommy.
Okay.
Bye, Dolly. I love you, Dolly.
I love you. Okay, see ya.
Mommy, bye, Dolly.
Okay, bye. Ayan. Alis na tayo. Mauna na tayo sa kanila. Bye, Han.
Bye, Dad.
Guys, bye na kami. Ha?
Oh, the sauce is back, thanks.
What's this one?
Oh, it's cold sauce.
Pie.
Okay.
Baked beans.
Dad, look at that.
Dahil sinama nila ako sa golf. Ayan, wala kami maayos na pakainin. Sleeping. And so, ang gagawin namin is, kami ng mga bata mag-Indomie. Ayan. Magpapakulo na ako ng tubig. And si Jan, mag-baked beans na lang siya. Ayan. And toast. And then, meron siyang biniling pie. Nanunod na silang footy. So, yun na yung vlog, guys. Wala namang masyadong nag-golf lang kami today. And, yung eyelashes ko, okay pa siya. Ano na siya? Ilang araw na to. Magto 2 weeks na siya, pero okay pa naman siya, oh. Diba? Ayoko naman tanggalin kasi sayang. Kasi parang okay pa naman. Wala naman masyadong nahuhulog. So, yan na, guys, yung vlog. So, say see you now.
See ya.
Say thank you. Salamat.
Thank you.
In Tagalog. Sa?
Sorry.
Ano? Salamat.
Po.
Salamat po. So yun na, guys. Thank you. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on my next vlog. Bye! Good night! Ayan. Kumakain na sila. Yung pansit canton. And ayun si Sak with rice, guys. Sak. Ayan. And eto yung kay Holly. Hey, Baba.
Yeah, Bub.
You gonna say? And kay Jan. Ayan. Oh. Yan lang yung dinner namin tonight.
Fingers.
How was it, Sak?
Oh.
Good. Oh. Ayan kay Jan. Baked beans. Oh, you want toast on? No?
I'll say that.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Tinapay lang siya. And then yan. And pass.
Whoa.
Good.
Oh, I really want noodles. I'm really hungry.
How do you know to use them, boy?
Tinuruan ko sila mag-chopstick nung bata pa sila. Ayan. Nandiyan pa yung chopstick nila, yung maliit. Isak na inggit.
Yeah.
Yan, nainggit yung isa.
Mom.
No, that's enough. One is enough, kuya. You can eat something.
Mom.
You're welcome, Baba.
I'm so sorry.
Ano?
Mom,
Huh.
I'm sauce.
You want sauce?
Yeah.
No, don't.
No, you don't put sauce. What you gonna say?
Easy, Mom.
Okay, upo na doon.
No, but I don't
Ayan,
have
kay,
any on
kay
this
Jan,
to
ah.
eat.
Bedroom. Oh, ano yan, Sak? Bukas kanya matatapos kung isa-isa lang yan.
Is this how you hold it?
Si Kuya, oh, ayan, patapos na si Kuya, oh. Gusto niya pa. I'll give you something. Alright, Zach? Yan yung chopstick nila nung bata pa sila, oh. Nung ano pa talaga, yung tinuturuan ko sila. Ayun. Ayaw ni Zach. Pa isa-isa lang kasi yung nakukuha niya. Ayan, nagluto ulit ako ng dalawa kasi si Kuya, kinulang siya, oh. Kinulang si Kuya, gusto niya pa, oh.
Yes.
So, sa amin to ni Kuya, si Sak tapos na,
Can I
oh.
just try it?
Akin na, Kuya.
Dude, it's over the top.
Okay.
I'm
Oh.
hungry.
Tapos na si John.
That was, I hate sweet.
Okay, that's enough, Kuya, because, yeah, it's spicy.
No, but not that. No.
Ah,
There's that many.
ah,
You right, Bubba?
okay. Okay, that's it.
Good
Okay.
girl,
Mom,
Holly.
I'm still hungry.
Careful, don't.
Huh?
I'm still hungry. What if
Yeah,
I
eat
ask for
that
more?
first. No, that's enough, Kuya. Drink water, huh? Wow, you're using chopstick too, Baba? Good girl.
This is cool.
Okay. Ah, at school?
What do you make at school, Bubba?
I learned at school daw, Daddy. Oh.
Good girl.
Why? When did you go to school? I didn't know that. Sa school niya raw yan natutunan. Oh. Gaya-gaya siya sa mga kuya niya. So yan, kain na ako.
Spicy.
I know. Spicy sa akin pero si kuya, oh, wala siyang pake. Good? Si kuya, hindi siya nabubusog sa pancit canton. Ayan. Meron siyang, what's that, kuya? Tell them what's that?
Honey.
Honey, what? Honey sandwich.
Not a dream.
And si Sak, strawberry jam.
How you just play?
Open that na.
Here's a
Ayan kasi, sinama niyo ako. Dapat nagpipizza, kaso tinamad
Bobby,
ako
did you hear
magpunta
what
ng
Zach said?
town.
Did you hear what Zach said?
What he said?
Jancy.
I'm clumsy.
I know,
We
he is
just dropped the
clumsy.
Open it, please.
Okay, wait.
Not that much. She died.
Oh, look at my baby girl. My baby Holly.
I'm gonna eat it.
Baby. My
No,
baby.
not bee. Adele.
Ah. Oh, my baby girl.
No, not baby. Adele.
Oh, you're a girl. Oh, you're a baby girl.
No, not baby. Adele.
Girl, what? Oh, my baby.
Adele. No, not baby.
Oh, who are you?
Adele.
Girl, what's your name, girl? What's your name? What's your name, girl? Huh? Oh, my baby Holly girl.
Not baby.
Who's baby?
Adele.
You're a girl. Where's your baby? Who's the baby here?
In the house.
Yung mga baby raw nasa couch. So, mga baby daw yung dolls. Siya daw, girl. My
Yes.
baby Holly.
Mama, bye-bye, be good. How did you shout for time, Mary?
Mary Ann
Mary and
Valencia.
Vicenta.
Jefferson
Sarion
Hernandez.
Hernandez.
Nix
Nix.
Lapada.
Father.
Nessa
Nessa.
Navarra.
Rara.
Kat
Tat.
Pring.
Hey. Hey. Bye.
Yeah. Okay. Is that what you're gonna do next? Good job. Good job, Kuya. this week.